Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and type Samsung Voice Recorder. Then you can download this app from this developer unless you have it already on your device. Now tap Open and click while using the app. After that, allow, and over here you can pick one of the options, save to internal storage or save to SD card, by tapping on the chosen one. Click at the right button to start your recording. You can pause it by clicking on the same button and unpause it the same way. If you wish to end and save your recording, you need to tap on the square button over here, name it, and tap on save. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. But if you wish to go into recording list from this screen, you have to click on the list at the top right corner of your voice recorder. If you want to delete your recording, hold it and click at the delete all icon at the bottom left corner over here. Now choose move to trash, and as you can see, my recording was deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!